It's time for match number 10. The Maharashtra Premier League 2024. The PBG Kolhapur Tuskers taking on the Raigad Royals.
Rahul has the coin. May I request him to please flip it?
Heads.
Head is the call. Tails it is. So PBG Kolhapur Tuskers, you have won the toss, and your decision?
We are going to bowl first.
For the Kolhapur Tuskers, Ankit Bhavne yet to fire. Rahul Tripathi, Aniket Porwal, Sachin Das, Siddharth Matre, Shrikant Munde, Yogesh Dongre, Taranjit Dillon, Manoj Yadav, Shreyas Chavan and Nihal Tusamad. There we go, the playing 11 for the Raigad Royals. Siddesh Veer, the skipper Vishant More, Naushad Sheikh, Mehul Patel, the informed man, Rohan Marwa, Rishabh Rathod, Savya Gajraj, Tanay Sangvi, Vicky Ostwal, Nikhil Kadam and Manoj Ingle. In the opening now for the Raigad Royals, Siddesh Veer is there. Yes, his best of 76. Naushad Sheikh has just scored 26 in the 3 matches. Nihal Tusamad, economy of 10.8. He's been expensive. Tucked away on the leg side. Nicely done. Great start.
Class. Beautiful timing. Good positioning.
In the air. Chance taken. Yes. Shrikant Munde running to his right, diving to his right. Naushad Sheikh, the first ball that he's faced of Nihal Tusamad, has to walk back.
नौशाद सिंह कोई रन नहीं बनाया पहले में वापस.
Vishant More, 24 runs.
यहाँ पर कड़क शॉट. यहाँ पर कोई चांस नहीं.
And there he goes. What covers this time? And it's going long. Takes outside edge. Gone. Siddesh Veer has been dismissed by Nihal Tusamad. He has the habit of picking wickets in the power play.
सिद्धेश वीर अच्छे फॉर्म में दिख रहे थे. 20 रन करके पहले में वापस.
Rohan Marwa, 30 runs so far in this season.
ये हवा में गेंद पर ये बिल्कुल अच्छा टाइमिंग यहाँ पर. इशाद मोरे अच्छी गेंद हवा में. मौका बनाया था. चौका मिला यहाँ पर. ये वाला शॉर्ट बॉल अच्छी दिशा दिखाई. चौका मिला पर ये थोड़ी सी ज्यादा ऊपर हो गई और ऑफ स्टंप के बाद बिल्कुल चौका मिला यहाँ पर विशांत मोरे के बल्ले से.
एंड अनदर बाउंड्री. पर फिर जगह बनाकर खेलने की कोशिश की है. गेंद जा रही है वापर पर फील्डर. ओह, ब्रिलियंट अटेम्प्ट. This time plays that one officially and gets full value.
तो बड़ा शॉट आने वाला है यहाँ पर. दूसरा शॉट यहाँ गैप में है. चौका मिल सकता है. बहुत ही बेहतरीन शॉट.
Shot is delivery up in the air. Fielder. Oh, confusion. No coordination whatsoever. Total confusion. Total chaos.
पूरा भाग के गए मिड विकेट से जोर से और दोनों लोग भाग के गए यहाँ पर और दोनों की नजर बॉल पे और बाद में दोनों ने नजर हटा दी.
This time once again down the ground and full value for that. That's his 50. Vishant More playing a captain's innings here. Leads from the front. Moves to 50 of 38 deliveries. Very good effort here. First 6 of his innings. And up and away. Goes for a boundary there over the point region.
Up in the air, chance for cotton ball. Manoj Yadav under it and he's dropped it. Oh, Manoj Yadav.
Before taking the catch, from his body language, it looked like he thought he's taken it. Look at it. See? Too casual there. And he's paid for it. He's paid for it.
And he's pitched it up. Mehul Patel has accepted. The long on was wider. And that'll be 4 runs. Another record being broken. And that was in the slot. And that's out of the plot. Short ball. Yes, power. Where's he going? Is that a comeback? Chance looks difficult. But he's done that. Yes, Shreyas Chavan. Bonifaci was expecting something from you and you've delivered.
Brilliant. Well done, boy. Eyes on the ball all the time. A fantastic innings. 68 run बनाए विशांत मोरे ने. 150 for 4 RR.
Rishabh Rathod. Strike rate of 122.
They know the importance of this wicket. Oh, what a catch! Brilliant!
Yes, we'll have a check.
Yes, popped out. In the fingers again. The elbow on the ground. This is when the ball pops out of hand normally. Yes, that's out. That's a very, very important wicket. Mehul Patel trying to scoop it. It was a slower delivery. Very, very important wicket. Mehul Patel at this stage gone for 45. 153 for 5 now.
In comes Vicky Ostwal.
In the air, timed it well. 6 runs.
Chance given. Yes, Vicky Ostwal will have to walk back. Was an inside edge. And Dongre, after a brilliant catch that he's taken.
डोंगरे ने पहले अपील नहीं की और ओस्टवाल भी खुश नहीं थे. एक ही रन उन्होंने बनाया. 167 for 6.
Tavya Gajraj, the new batter. Low full toss, fielder there, placed exactly for that, taken. And it was the skipper, Rahul Tripathi. Easy catch for him, and Dongre, last ball of his spell.
गजराज आउट हुए एक रन बनाकर. 171 for 7.
Manoj Ingle is the new batter, yes. All outside off stump, and over the fielder at covers. No fielder there, 4 runs. Short ball, pulled, fielder will be a spectator. What a shot. Nicely bowled, that'll just be a run. It's a good comeback by Munde. The last 2 balls is conceding 2. That will be 14 runs in the last over. 20 overs, Raigad Royals. Have a look at the batting card. 68 for the captain, Vishant More. Good partnership between More and Mehul Patel. 45 of 31 for him with the crucial knock of 26 of 12. The target for the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers in their allotted 20 overs will be 186 runs.
Impact player Nihal Tosamad has been substituted by Harsh Sangvi. Raigad Royals, their impact player known. Sunil Yadav is in.
This is his 4th outing, Nikhil Kadam.
Straight away testing the batter there. This time once again, this time over the point region. Will get another boundary. This time and gone. Easy as it comes.
Once again, the line, the length, the hint of away movement, extra bit of bounce and regulation catch there by Naushad. Sangvi gets 2. First wicket down for the Kolhapur Tuskers.
Rahul Tripathi to the crease. This time cuts that one and will get full value for that. This time moves a bit around the crease, but mid-on running after it will not be able to cut it off. This time, yes, he does entertain, and the ball goes through to the boundary. And one more. Making a habit of it. Yeah, he's ready. And that's boundary. इस बार फिर गति में परिवर्तन किया और एक चौका नहीं छक्का. Again plays that one and gets through.
Oh, कमाल का शॉट. Flat 6.
A reverse sweep attempted, connects and connects well.
ये हट के कवर के ऊपर सर बिल्कुल यहाँ पर चौका मिल सकता है. बढ़िया शॉट.
Short ball, a gift, gleefully accepted by Rahul Tripathi.
बिल्कुल कवर की दिशा में खेला है, पर अच्छा शॉट. ये शॉट बनाना पड़ा इनको.
Rahul Tripathi. Rahul is not waiting, takes the inside edge and he's walking. Oh, what a start to the 11th over.
Raigad Royals. was a good delivery, good length. Wanted to play a big shot, Rahul Tripathi. Gone for 46 of just 19 deliveries, but played a fantastic innings, a captain's knock.
Comes Aniket Porwal. Strike rate of 125.
He took the back seat. Big hit! Gone all the way!
Goes for it again on the cow corner. Porwal is sending it long. Flighting it and thus creating the chance. Yes, the leg spinner. That's how you'll get the wicket.
जी ऐसी कैसी कैचेस चिपकती ही हैं क्योंकि काफी दूर थी बॉलर से. Oh!
In comes Vicky Ostwal and picks up a wicket. The left arm spinner comes in and picks up the all-important wicket of Ankit Bhavne over to the left arm spinner in the com box.
But great innings, fantastic innings from Bhavne. 51, 1, 2, 3 for 3. इस बार हवा में बॉल सीधा फील्डर के पास, एक और विकेट. और यही हम बात कर रहे थे कि ज्यादा अटैकिंग क्रिकेट खेलने की जरूरत नहीं है, सेंसिबल क्रिकेट खेलने की जरूरत है. 21 पर आउट हुए पोरवाल, 129 पर 4. Oh, another one gone. Another wicket. Ingle's got this ability of getting wickets. ये पैनिक बटन दबा दिया है.
Shrikant Munde, the experienced Munde, has gone for a 1 run, 130 for 5, KT. And here he is, Sachin Das.
Yeah, he's a good player.
Is there another chance? Matre up in the air, fielder is coming under it, taken! Another gone. Ingle picks up a wicket and now follows it up with the wicket of Matre.
What a comeback for Ingle. और कोई गलती नहीं की वहां पर. Yeah! Well done. 3 रन बनाए म्हात्रे ने, 131 पर 6.
In comes Dongre.
अब देखना है टस्कर्स किस तरह से वापसी करते हैं. शॉर्ट बॉल आउटसाइड द ऑफ स्टंप.
Full toss. And he's gone. What's going on here, Nikhil bhai?
Soft dismissal. The Raigarh Royals making a big time comeback in this game. That gets Dongre to depart for 5. It's 136 for 7.
Is Manoj Yadav. Down the ground. What a shot there by Das. And that's a 6. Waiting. Yes, that's the 6th sign. अब बात है और इस बार ओह क्या बात है मनोज यादव. This time once again and that's gone. That's the wicket they wanted. Sachin Das got at long on by Mehul Patel.
Sachin Das tried his hand, just getting out on 12.
Taranjit Dhillon come in at the fall of Sachin Das's wicket. Oh, Taranjit Dhillon trying something, but will only find the fielder at short fine leg. The pressure got to him. Nikhil Kadam kept his cool.
Just looking to close out the game. Taranjit Dhillon gets out for naught. It's 160 for 9.
Eight more deliveries left. This time once again giving it his almighty heave. Looking for, yes, he's got a boundary there. What a shot there, but caught at the boundary line. Intentions were clear. He wanted to go for the big one, but a good running catch there by Mehul Patel. He is the man of the moment once again. And that's the game done for Kolhapur Tuskers. Raigarh Royals win by 13 runs. Kolhapur Tuskers are yet to win a contest in this tournament this year. Skipper Vishant More and Mehul Patel were the star with the bat. Kolhapur Tuskers made 172 in reply, fell short by 13 runs. Tanay and Manoj Ingle were the star with the ball for Raigarh Royals. A well-deserved win for Raigarh Royals.